Hi guys, and today we're going to be playing some MSP, as you can see, and you're going to watch me painfully do this. It is lagging, yes. I've already set up an account. Why does this lag? Come on. Anytime now. I'm going to go here. Just skip this. Skip this. Thank you. Okay, it's been so long since I've been on this. Oh my god. Me? Right? That's my account name. Blue.io. Okay. What am I doing? I'm doing nothing. Okay, this is my old account. I don't actually remember. I don't have any friends apart from me. Okay. This was my old account. Okay. I'm still looking the same. Yeah, I was level 21. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. I can't remember my password. Still looking great. Okay, let's get this girl leveled up. Please just level up. Level up. Yep. Okay, what did I get? Oh, hey. Yeah. And like that. Okay. I might try to log into my own account. I don't know. For now, just... Oh my god, though, when was this upload? I don't even remember how long ago I went on this. But it was obviously really long ago because I don't remember playing this. Okay, level 2. Yep. Okay, I like this. I feel like it might be right. I don't remember any things. Come on. Okay. Then change this to color like that. I think I'm happy with that colors. Great. Oh my god, it's so sad I lost my account. Because I kept on getting hacked. I think she was jealous or something. Yeah. If you can get my account back, then just thank you. Because I don't remember my password. The account is still there. Yay. Alright, we got some fun going here. Can I change the color? Yeah. Let's change it to blonde because that is my color. Alright. I mean, flamingo hair is the most ugliest hair in Vista Planet, but who cares? It's still, yeah, red. I don't know if it is, but it might not be anymore. Just change my hair to it, even though I hate it, just to show that I'm not a noob, because I'm not. What the hell? What? Whoa. Stars on my face. Okay, I'm gonna go shopping. Yes. Go shopping. The little movie Vista Planet. Can you work a bit quicker? Right. almost says my name in them. It's kind of funny. Okay. What the hell are these? Sorry, but what the heck is that? Super ugly. I'm still broke. People are still broke. Just to let you know. Oh my god, what are those lips, girl? What are those lips? Hello? This might just be my new account. Anyway, I prefer the name. Verb, the name Blue AO. I like that hair. Stop it. Oh, there's nothing good for me to shop. Oh, that's so cute. I would try logging back into my account right now, but in a minute. My new gift is a weird sofa that eats people. Right. Mine, what a new gift. Okay, what's the new gift? And you don't even show it to me. Thanks. Oh. Just why does that? I'm just kidding. Why? Why is my? Why is my? Not in. Just me. Animation. What the hell is that? What? How is that zombie? I've fallen. Okay, some weird shit. I'm gonna get a new one. Because I can. No one's gonna stop me from that. Items. What? Did I press items? I don't know. Animations. Oh my god, I could not afford that. Just by 5. What even is it? What is it? Oh, I don't care. I need more money. I can't afford. What is that? What is this? I can't tell. It's not showing. Okay, whatever. Why? Colleague. Okay. What's this? Just a standing person? Clean up the world. Okay, and that's not showing you need to clean the world. That's true. But I want a better one to show my expression of me being mad. With it. Could have this. Could have this. I don't mind it. And it's cheap. Tasty beverage. Hello. Bye. Bye. I bought it. Bought it. I said I bought it. Okay. Now will it show up on my happy face, smiley face? And the happy thing? What is it? Okay, whatever. This is gonna take me a while to log in, so I'll see if I can get my old account back. And then I can delete this account. Blue AO. And that's pretty cute. She's pretty cute. I don't know what to say. What the hell is Pokey Loki? Blocky? What the hell? Something's glitched. Okay. Nice. Stand. I can just stand. Did I just not purchase that or something? Oh, there it is. I can see it. Okay, right. I'm just gonna try logging into one more time. Okay. Please work. No. Must be. I typed in must. MSP and then. Come on. Right, please work. I'm gonna move myself right here. No, I am not. I'm English. From the UK. I'm British. Yes. Okay then. Phone, please. Thank you. Thank you. Because it has Minecraft. Okay. That one. I need to charge my computer. Yeah, I get rid of this account. It's gone forever. Right, I think I'm gonna end that episode here. So, bye.